I think they're pissed off. All right, here we are, Saltwater Park. Observe and respect beach sea life. Sea lettuce. All right, here we go. Wind picked up a little bit. Had to wait for the tide to come in because it was too far out. Let's see what we got. Let's launch this puppy. I think that's the King County water quality boat out there doing grab samples and taking other water quality. Be interesting to see what kind of discrepancies we have or how well it matches up with some of the baseline kind of fundamental water quality data that we're taking. Yeah, cool. Like this shoreline here. Nice bluff. Cool. Looks like it's got some natural features to it. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to focus here. Getting rocked and rolled here pretty good. So, not a lot of video today, probably. It's boiling up ahead here. Just boiling. Where these waves are crashing off the seawall and coming back.